You guys ready for fucking Algonquin? You ready? You ready? I'm ready. Colin, you ready? You look ready. So here we are in Algonquin Park, doing our good things. Everyone's packed in really good. The portages seem to be going pretty tight. Got just 2 more left today, and everyone's working really good together. I'm excited. There's everyone over there. Hey guys. Look at this travesty. They are portaging around what is clearly a liftover. We did it. Ewok's fine, right? Shameful. Shameful. I'm disgusted. What's happened here, Brian? You got your shit out of gumption. Oh, is that what it stands for?
S-O-G. Safari.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan. Never have been, but check
If you go in a safari and try to kill a lion, you will die.
That just happened.
Very mad.
That just happened.
I looked at it and it bent.
That's the first time you've ever used that in the bush. How many hours has it been out of the car?
17 minutes.
17 minutes.
It has 17 minutes of hours on it, and that's it.
Terrific.
It might stay right there, actually.
You should go in and get it, man. Frickin' Shigo, eh? What a guy. That's what I said. So we're at the end of day 2 now. Everyone's feeling a lot better. We've got a good sleep under us, some good food in our gullets. We made a lot of good time today. Water level's high, so we didn't have to screw around in a lot of bogs, going left and left and right to avoid, you know, slowdowns. Tomorrow we're going across Grass Bay. See a bit more wildlife. We saw 2 mooses today, an otter, some good stuff. We're all really excited. First day was not so good. We realized exactly how tough this trip's gonna be, but I think we've hit our stride. Ooh, big blue heron. It's exciting. I'm having an absolutely great time. Algonquin Park does have that very special something to it, and it's undescribable. Highly suggested everyone. And we haven't seen anyone today. It's amazing. I thought that it would be very, very, you know, busy, but we haven't seen anyone. Anyways, gotta go dehydrate some spaghetti and eat it.
That's too big. You gotta chop that one in half.
Oh, also, Brian caught a very nice fish today between 2 portages. There was one portage on one side of the river, portage about 20 feet down the river, and waterfall in between the 2, or waterfall, portage, and threw his line in. Dude, look at that! That is a beautiful trout!
Oh yeah. Wow, that's...
I'd like to be picked up. You get a stick measurement on this?
That is pretty, man.
How about to the stump? You gonna give that to me?
Yep.
Maybe a little thumb short try.
At least 2 pound, probably close to 3.5 pound brook trout. One of the prettiest fish I've ever seen. I'm very jealous. I haven't caught anything yet. This will not stand. Anyways. So we're finishing up day 3 out here in Algonquin. We're back on Misty Lake. Went down the Petawawa yesterday and came back up through McIntosh Creek, but it was a soggy day. No one was having any fun in the rain, but our portaging machine is going along really well. I'm very impressed with both of myself and with my crew. We started out a bit poor, but we've come a long way. We're on an island site close to the final portage in Misty Lake, and we're just going to knock tomorrow off really quick and easy. It's going to be sort of a smash and grab operation. But now the sun is out, wind coming up, keeps the bugs away, and it's going to be tough to leave. There's a lot of black flies when the wind dies down, and my feet are fine, so I fashioned myself a fancy set of gloves, and they have a tassel on the end to swat away other ones, like the one on my index finger there. I'm pretty proud of it. It's working pretty well. Hey, so after watching one of Matty the Goose's videos, one of his long trip vlogs, I highly suggest you go see him. They're pretty cool. I took one of his techniques, and me and my buddy had a contest. Guess who won the Chewbacca Big Fish spoon making competition? Pretty pleased. Check that out. It's amazing. You just put a ember there and blow on it really slowly, and it burns down all the way to the middle. Then you just whittle out the spoon afterwards. Can't wait to eat chili with this. Beautiful night on the lake though too. Algonquin.
Be a little more quiet tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'll be in my bed.
Be missing this though, probably.
Yeah, the light's going. V1, V2. And rotate!
Turn down the bay.
He's going right over that point site. That's weird, man.
Yeah, somebody had a problem. Well, all the birds are bent out of shape.
Yeah, the loons do not like that plane. No, these socks are just fine. You guys are nuts.
You know, this is like a this is camping microwave.
Look at this. Not 2 days ago, you guys were like, oh no, beaver dam. Better get out portage. Love the enthusiasm, man. Like a pro.